This video shows how to replace the rear cover on an XR4000Z. Before removing the rear cover, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000Z service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the rear cover, remove the 6 screws that secure the cover to the chassis. Then pull the cover to disengage it from the chassis. To install the rear cover, align and place the cover on the chassis. Then replace the 6 screws to secure the cover to the chassis. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.